means a lot. He's a hard worker, you know what I mean? I always tell him, I said, I acknowledge you because you are a player that I never seen and you never had injury. So, you know, I take my hat off to captain, you know what I mean? And so seeing that at what, 38, 37, man, it's unbelievable, man. And I love captain, man. He's 3 years, man, he's been real genuine. Jed's my dog, man. He gets in that moment and he always look at me on the side. I'm like, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I like about him, you know what I mean? Because he always play with that firepower, that passion, you know what I mean? The emotions, you know what I mean? I play with emotions too. So, you know, seeing that from him, you don't see that a lot in Taiwan. And I embrace stuff like that. So me and Saljay, we always say kaka together. We started that from bank and then that just carry on. So whenever we see each other, it's always kaka. Real genuine dude as well, you know what I mean? Even though if he's not on the court, he's cheering, clapping, he's the first one up, you know what I mean? And he's always engaged, you know what I mean? And Saljay got a bright future. I acknowledge Dinga as well, man. He's really, he helps me a lot. You know, if I, you know, got questions or anything, I'm always, you know, asking Dinga because he's been with Roger the longest since he, you know, junior high school. So if I have any questions, I'm going to Dinga, you know what I mean? And he always give me positive, great feedback, you know what I mean? And he backs me up on that. So he's the GOAT amongst GOAT, man. You know, just not by basketball. I really got to vibe with him off the court. And seeing that, man, he's the most humblest guy I ever seen. You know what I'm saying? To be an icon. You know what I mean? And dude, he'll stop and take a picture, sign autographs, and it's never a no or nah. He's acknowledging all that. So for me to see that from a legend, it's an honor, man. It's really big time.
Having the champagne in your hand, right? Champagne bottle.
Right.
Who would you attack first?
Oh, there's a couple. I think I would attack Beast.
Who?
Beast, the GOAT.
Beast?
The GOAT. The GOAT got to get it. Oh, Roger? Yeah, Roger Definitely would have got it. Nah, Chris would have got it too.
Oh, yeah.
Chris would have got it too. Chris would have got probably like double up. I got two of them, you know? Chris would have got two of them. I don't write down a lot, but I just keep it in my head. I know when I'm done, I can write a book and I can, you know, express it, you know what I mean? But right now, all this is in my memory book, in my head, man. It's an unbelievable feeling, unbelievable experience.